Welcome to online English class. This is level 1, lesson 7, which starts on April 29th. This is part 3, so this is video number 3 of lesson 7. In this video, we're going to review units 3 to 6. So in unit 3, we're going to review unit 3, unit 4, unit 5, and unit 6. You are probably watching this video between April 29th and May 13th. This video was filmed on April 25th. Okay, we're going to start with Unit 3. In Unit 3, we learned the present continuous. So with the present continuous, there's the question, what are you doing? What are you doing? So, how do we use the present continuous? We use to be, verb, and then ing. So, what is to be? To be is I am, you are, we are, they are, and he, she, it is. This is to be. I am, you are, we are, they are, and he, she, it is. Then we write the verb and we add ing to the end. So we say, I am studying. I'm studying. She is sleeping. Or they are working. Okay, and then let's talk about how many. Oops. How many people are there? How many people are there? So people, you can count people. So you say, how many? How many is for things you can count, and you can count people. If there's one, you say one person. One person. If there's two or more, you say people. For one, you say one person. For two or more, you say people. So let's look at this picture. There's 4 rooms in this house. How many people are there? How many people are in this house? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we say, there are 6 people in the house. How many people are there? There are 6 people in the house. How many people are sitting? This question I'm asking you, how many people are sitting, is the present continuous. So we're using to be because we have to be here is are, and we have sitting. Sit is the verb, and then we write ing here. Oops. So we have sitting. So how many people are sitting? How many people are sitting down in this picture? Is he sitting? No, he is not sitting. Is she sitting? Yes, she is sitting in a chair. Is he sitting? Yes, he is sitting in a chair in the kitchen. Is she sitting? No, she is standing. she is sitting, and he is sitting. So we have one person, two people, three people, four people. There are four people sitting in the house. So we say, there are four people sitting in the house. So now we know there are four people sitting in the house. So let's make a list of people. Let's say who is sitting. So the question is, who is sitting? Who is sitting in the house? In this house, who is sitting? We have to make a list. So let's see. Luisa. Luisa is sitting. So let's write Luisa. And because we're making a list, we have to write a comma between every person. So Luisa, Juan, comma, Ana, comma, Hector. Okay, Luisa, Juan, Ana, and Hector are sitting. So, who is sitting? Luisa, Juan, Ana, and Hector are sitting. When we make a list, we write a comma between every item or every person. So between every person, there is a comma. Before the last person, Hector, we have to write the word and. That's how you make a list. So there are four people sitting in the house. Who is sitting? Luisa, Juan, Ana, and Hector are sitting. We use are sitting because these four people, we have four people. So with four people, we say they. So another way to say the sentence is they are sitting. They are sitting. If we want to know who they are Luisa, Juan, Ana, and Hector. So we say Luisa, Juan, Ana, and Hector are sitting. Okay, so a new question. How many people are standing? How many people are standing? We were just talking about sitting. Now I want to talk about people who are standing, people who are on their feet. Okay, Carlos is standing. He's standing. He's on his feet. Luisa, no, she's not standing. Juan isn't standing. Maria is standing. She's not standing. He's not standing. So we have two people who are standing. So how many people are standing? There are two. There are two people standing. Who is standing? Who is standing? Carlos and Maria are standing. Carlos and Maria are standing. Because we have two people, these two people we use they. They are standing. Okay, now I have a question for you. how many people are sleeping? How many people are sleeping? Is he sleeping? Is she sleeping? Sleeping. One person is sleeping. How many people are sleeping? One person is sleeping. So we still ask, how many people are sleeping? How many people are sleeping? But the answer is, one person is sleeping. So, who is sleeping? Hector is sleeping. Okay, in this picture, tell me, how many people are watching TV? How many people are watching TV? 1, 2. There are 2 people watching TV. How many people are in the living room? How many people are in the living room? Well, this looks like a kitchen table where you eat, so they are not in the living room. So how many people are in the living room? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 people in the living room. How many people are sitting? How many people are sitting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 people sitting. How many people are standing? How many people are standing? The answer is no one. No one is standing. Nobody, no one or nobody is standing in this picture. So remember, when we're talking about people, we say how many? How many people? Okay, so now let's review Unit 4. In Unit 4, we're talking about health. And I want to talk about medicine. So, when you are sick, you need to take medicine. When you are sick, you need to take medicine. So when you're sick, you need to take medicine. So, medicine, we ask, how much medicine do I take? How much medicine do I take? Okay, so there are 2 different types of medicine. There are pills or tablets, which are little small pieces. These are pills or tablets. So your Tylenol or Advil, pills or tablets. Or we have liquid medicine. So liquid medicine, you have to drink. This is a little cup for medicine. So we say, how much medicine do I take? For pills and for liquid medicine. Or if you know you're taking pills or medicine, you can ask, how many pills do I take? How many pills do I take? How many tablets do I take? With liquid medicine, you have to say the measurement. The measurement tells you how much. So, with medicine, we usually talk about milliliters. Milliliters. So let's see. This is a medicine cup. It's a small cup for drinking medicine, and it tells you the measurement. So this cup is in milliliters. Here, we have 2.5 milliliters, 5 milliliters, and 10 milliliters. That's how much medicine there is in a cup. So, in general, if we just ask about medicine, the word medicine, we say, how much medicine do I take? If we have pills, we ask, how many pills do I take? How many? Because you can count pills. With liquid medicine, you have to say the measurement. For this cup, the measurement is in milliliters, ml. So we ask, how many milliliters? I'm going to write ml because I don't want to write all of this. It's a long word. How many milliliters do I take? Oh, this marker is weird. Okay. So, again, medicine, we don't count medicine, so we say, how much medicine do I take? But here, we can count pills, and this is a measurement. A measurement, when we have a measurement, it tells us the amount. So, with measurements, we always say, how many? How many milliliters do I take? Okay, so let's do one more story, one more writing exercise. Let's do this one. He has a terrible cold. He has a terrible cold. Terrible. Terrible means really, really bad. He has a really bad cold. Okay, so let's write his symptoms. What are his symptoms? What are his symptoms? Symptoms are what's wrong. So what are his symptoms? He has a stuffy nose. Okay, remember, another word for stuffy nose is congestion. It's the same thing. Stuffy nose and congestion are the same thing. So we're going to make a list of his symptoms. He has a stuffy nose, a sore throat, he has a stuffy nose, a sore throat, and a fever. So, he has a terrible cold. What are his symptoms? He has 3. 1, 2, 3. He has a stuffy nose, comma, a sore throat, comma, and a fever. The word "and" goes before the last thing, the last symptom. So his symptoms are a stuffy nose, a sore throat, and a fever. He has a terrible cold, so his symptoms are serious. His fever is serious. His temperature is 102 degrees. His fever is serious because he has a terrible cold. So his fever is serious. His temperature is 102 degrees. Remember, normal temperature is 97 to about 99 degrees. So your normal temperature is 97 to 99 degrees. His body temperature is 102 degrees. This temperature is his body temperature. Okay? So, he has a terrible cold. What are his symptoms? He has a stuffy nose, a sore throat, and a fever. His fever is serious. His body temperature is 102 degrees. Okay? So, he needs medicine So, how much medicine? Let's do he needs medicine. He has liquid medicine. He needs medicine. He has liquid medicine, so he has to drink his medicine. How much medicine, or actually, how many milliliters does he need to drink? He has liquid medicine, so his medicine is medicine you can drink. It's gonna be green. This is his medicine here. So this is his medicine. It's liquid medicine. He has to drink it. So how many milliliters? Remember, milliliters is ml. How many milliliters does he need to drink? He needs to drink. This is an N. He needs to drink 10 milliliters 2 times a day. 2 times a day. So let's say in the morning and at night. Do you remember your time words? So for parts of the day, in the day we say in. So in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. But for the word night, we use at. So, how many milliliters does he need to drink? He needs to drink 10 milliliters 2 times a day. 1 time in the morning and 1 time at night. So, this is the story for a terrible cold. So we have the symptoms, we have more information about the symptoms, and we have the medicine. So from here, starting next week, we're going to write a lot more stories, and we're going to use everything we learned in all of the units together. Thanks for watching.